Everybody, my name is Eric Callaway and I'm the Special Command Aide here in District 17, Alaska. I work for Rear Admiral Bell. Hey, I may be wearing a fancy shirt, but guarantee you I am wearing sweats under this. I dressed up as best as I could. This is some of my finest wear. Today we're going to be learning how to make hard-boiled eggs. I know it's pretty simple, but I'm just going to give you a few tips and tricks as I learn these videography skills. So a few questions people have asked. What do I do day to day? I cook, I clean, and I make sure everything's running smoothly. We host a lot of events anytime members of Congress come through with a congressional delegation, the Commandant, or any other high-profile guest comes through. The Admiral, Mrs. Bell, and myself, we host them at the representational facility, or the REPFAC as it's known, and we make sure that those people feel welcome and warm in the Alaskan hospitality. So where did I get all of my knowledge and expertise from? I was classically trained in Portland, Oregon at the Oregon Culinary Institute, and I have cooked in multiple restaurants all across the West Coast before joining the Coast Guard 3 years ago. I've enjoyed my time here in the Coast Guard, and I have been Admiral Bell's Special Command Aide for the last year. Hey, if you're anything like me, I know you have a lot in your pantry right now and you're wondering what can you do with half of it, or can you make anything that isn't the same thing you've eaten the last 4 days in a row. Over the next few videos, we're going to be going over some easy foods that you can snack while you're binge watching Netflix or working from home. So stay tuned. So you're going to go ahead, turn on your stove to a high heat. You want to get that water boiling as quickly as possible. You'll notice that I have my eggs as well as a spoon ready to go. Get those out of the way there real quick. So just a little known fact, actually, Admiral Bell eats 2 eggs a day. So we're always making eggs over at the REPFAC. So we're going to go ahead and let this pot come up to a boil. So you'll notice that our water is now coming to a boil. So for this demonstration, I'm just going to go ahead and use 2 eggs, and I'm going to take my spoon and I'm going to gently lower them in. Now, when you do this method, you're going to notice that the eggs actually bounce around quite a bit, and it may crack the shell a little bit, but that's okay. So we're going to leave the eggs in here for 8 minutes. At a nice boil. What that's going to do is it's going to cook that egg nice and thoroughly, and then we're going to let it simmer for 2 minutes. So it's going to be in a total of 10 minutes in all, and so we're going to go ahead and wait for these to finish up. Now my eggs are done, so I am going to go ahead and bring these out, and I have an ice bath off to the side, and I'm going to go ahead and cool down these eggs really quickly. And while these eggs are cooling down, you can go ahead, clean your pot, clean your spoon, all of that, and get ready to peel your eggs. I recommend letting your eggs sit for about 5 to 10 minutes. So I'm going to go ahead and take this egg and I'm going to peel it. What I'm doing is I'm cracking it from the bottom to the top to create one clean line. And I'm going to peel down that line, and then the eggshell should come off pretty quickly and easily in big chunks. This is a great method and guaranteed to work. Even if you have older eggs, they will be easy to peel. There you go. You can see that I'm starting to get those big chunks off that egg, and there it is. It took 2 seconds, and I have a clean peeled egg. Thank you for watching my video. It's been awesome to spend this time with you guys. I hope you like the content. Please let me know in the comments down below on any feedback that you have, whether it's the video, cooking, or anything that you would like to see me do. Once again, I'm CS2 Eric Callaway, Special Command Aide for Rear Admiral Bell here in D17. Thank you and have a great day.